Hi, everybody. Hello. Welcome to Visual Communication and Media. Happy Saturday. Hope everybody's having a great week. This week's just going to be a reminder, no extra material that you don't need to realize about. So I just want to let everybody know I was up till like 3 in the morning. Wanted to make sure everybody got their grades back before the weekend. Everything should be caught up, ready to go. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me. I know some of the feedback may be a little tough, but I want to make sure that you guys fix your stuff for your course project for this weekend. If you have any questions or need more time on your project and you need to redo because I noticed some people made some mistakes and misread the instructions. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you want another chance at the outline, I'm all for it. I will help you out. Um, I have no problem with that. And then also, if you need extra time on the main project, I can give that to you if you want to put extra time on the outline. So just let me know, and we can go from there. Other than that, yeah, sorry if I'm really tired. It was a long night. Anyway, but just want to let everybody know the next week's the last week. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, give me a holler. If you're behind on any assignments or missing any assignments, contact me because class ends on Friday next week. So we want to make sure that gets taken care of. Other than that, that's all I got. Really easy, quick reminder. Sorry if I'm a little out of it. It's just exhausting. And also, last night, baby was all over the place, but it's okay. Father life, right? Anyway, but just let me know if you need anything or have any questions. I'm here to help you out, and I just want to make sure that y'all know what you're doing moving on, and just really trying to teach that reading instructions, really following, just going through the deadlines and everything, and just really kind of teaching that stuff. Because on my line of work, if something's late or if something's off or something, man, it costs millions of dollars. So I maybe it's just me. I just want to make sure you guys really succeed out there and really just connect everything and really get everything perfect. So that's why I'm really forward with my feedback a lot of times. Other than that, that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy, have a great weekend. You should see my announcements for next week. I'll keep track over the weekend. If you guys have any questions, make sure I kind of check in once in a while because I know this is a busy week for week 5. Like I said, if you need anything, just give me a holler. I'm here to help you out. I really am. So I want you to succeed. I really want to teach you some principles and especially some basics and go from there. All right, sweet. That's all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy. Enjoy that digital alteration discussion. I'm gonna try and post to it later tonight, but that's all I got. All right, everybody, have a great weekend. Be safe, have fun, and have a good one. Bye bye.